Welcome to day 2 of database forensics with Evodia. We are going to continue talking on how data solves crimes in large organizations. This is going to be a 7-slide guide into investigating data at scale with SQL and audit logs. So this is going to be more of application exercises. We have 2 questions that arise from day 1 yesterday, and question number 1 was, when an HR or a database administrator uses their access to drop tables, override codes, and alter schemas to hide fraud, what footprints are physically impossible to erase? And question number 2, if a ghost worker looks 100% clean inside payroll, how do you prove that they don't exist in real world using multi-layered data analytics? And question number 3, which method is most effective, manual method or database method? Actually, in the recent, about 4.7 billion US dollars was lost to insider fraud. So it's not more about the data, it's about how you use the data. So we are going to look at the key terms on the questions. We have HR, human resource, DBA, database administration, the person that has access to modify the data, analyze the data, store the data, everything about the database. Dropping the table, to drop a table is more complex than simply deleting a table. Writing a simple delete command will just delete the role of the table. What drop does is that when you drop a table, it actually wipes the metadata of that table, of the entire table. It's like throwing something into an incinerator. That's what drop actually does. Meanwhile, a schema is a structural blueprint of a database, of a table. So when you overwrite it, like you're writing the source code, you're changing the code, carrying out fraudulent activities. Alter is just modifying the code or modifying the table. So who is a ghost worker? A ghost worker is somebody who is in the payroll, who is not actively working, and the person is receiving a paycheck. So a ghost worker can actually be a terminated worker, or a ghost worker can be a worker that is actively receiving more than one payment and is easily done when it's an insider. So we are going to be looking at when it's actually a more advanced capable person that's doing it. So which method is most effective? Manual method or the database forensics method? Manual method is just like going through manual reviews. It's faster, it's easier. Meanwhile, database is actually actively investigating the database to see all the proof, not like the surface method of the manual method where we are going to go deep